Tired of loud, slamming cabinet doors? Let's upgrade your cabinets with soft close hinges in just a few easy steps. Soft close hinges use a built-in mechanism to slow down your cabinet door, preventing noise and damage. They're a simple upgrade that adds a touch of luxury to any kitchen. Here's what you'll need: a power drill, balloon soft close hinges, a 35mm drill bit, and a screwdriver. Start by removing your old cabinet doors and hinges, using a power drill or screwdriver to take out the screws carefully. Next, check for a 35mm hole where the new hinge will go. If there's not one there or it isn't deep enough, use a drill with a 35mm bit to create the right depth. Now install your soft close hinge. It should fit snugly into place without forcing it in. And once set, secure it all with screws. Finally, reattach the door, making sure it's aligned correctly. Test the soft close feature. Your door should now close smoothly and silently. Need high-quality soft close hinges? Hinge Outlet has what you need and even offers free shipping. Visit our website today. And for more valuable information and helpful tips like this, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.